Welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to register iQIYI, that is the Chinese streaming TV service, how to register them internationally. If you're not in mainland China at current and you prefer an English or multi-language interface rather than Chinese, then you need to register iQIYI international account. So let's move on. Okay, additionally, only install iQIYI app. Register the iQIYI international account that could enable you to view English subtitles within Chinese TV dramas, original TV shows, and China films. It is probably believed that more and more Chinese original video content with copyrights could be localized in iQIYI international app. As a result, it becomes a very cost-effective choice for overseas users to install and register iQIYI international account for free at first. Now, there are 7 languages supported, and they are at present, and they are English, Bahasa Indonesia, Vietnamese, Fasa Thai, Bahasa Melayu, Simplified Chinese, and then the traditional Chinese. These are the 7 languages. So, after launching the app, when you download the iQIYI app, it automatically specifies the interface language according to the system language set in your mobile phone. So you are free to go to account. If you already have the language, you already have it downloaded and you want to just change the language, go to account, then tap on settings, then click on language area, and you will select the language for the interface, switch interface language as to English. After that, the iQIYI international registration should come with ease. So you have to download the app first. Now, let's continue. So these are 3 simple ways to register for the iQIYI international account. Now, it's for free also. The first one is to register using an existing email address. The second is to quickly log in to iQIYI international app via an existing Facebook account. And the third is to quickly log in to iQIYI international app via an existing Google account. Those are the 3 methods. So to register iQIYI international account as an ordinary member is completely free, except you are using a VIP membership account. So what you do is that from the login page, you tap on login with password, then you enter your email address, enter your password, tap on login. When you tap on, you see a first page first of all, sorry. So you have options for login with password, other login options, enter email address, enter password, then you see login option, then you see register. So tap on register. So you tap on the register, and then you fill in the page as usual. Then when you tap register, you can start with continue with Facebook or continue with Google. It depends on the one you want. And then if that's not enough for you, you can also click on other login methods. So that's it. So remember, you can register with your email by clicking on register in the first page, or you can register with your Facebook by clicking on continue with Facebook option. You can register with Google account by clicking on continue with Google option. So that's it. Then don't forget to read the instruction, and then that's it. That's how to register. See you in the next video.